In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Campaigns. First, log into Zoho Campaigns. From your dashboard, head to Settings, then choose Integrations and Open Apps. Here you'll see a list of available connections. Find Zoho CRM and click Connect. This establishes a secure link between the two tools so Campaigns can read the records you already manage in CRM. Next, it's time to create a sync, which is how data moves from CRM to Campaigns. Navigate to Contacts, then select Sync Services. Click New Sync. You'll be asked to pick a sync type. Choose Immediate Sync if you want near real-time updates. Changes typically appear in Campaigns within about 5 to 10 minutes. Or choose Periodic Sync to have updates arrive on a predictable schedule daily, weekly, or monthly, useful if your data changes in batches or you prefer fixed refresh times. Pick the option that best matches your team's workflow. Now configure the sync details. Start with Select Module. Choose the CRM module that holds the records you want, leads, contacts, or a custom module from your CRM. This selection determines which records Campaigns will receive, so be deliberate here. If you conduct outreach to new prospects, leads often make sense for existing customers or active relationships. Contacts is usually the right pick. Custom module is available for more specialized datasets you manage in CRM. Next, decide where these people should live inside Campaigns. Under Sync to List, you can optionally select a mailing list to add these contacts to. Picking the right list helps you keep your audiences organized and ensures future campaigns reach the intended group. Choose the most relevant list for your marketing goals. Then complete field mapping. Map your CRM fields like lead source or city to the corresponding fields in Campaigns. Core fields such as email and name are pre-mapped for you, which saves time and reduces errors. Take a moment to confirm that important attributes align correctly, especially any fields you rely on for segmentation or personalization. Accurate mapping now means cleaner targeting later. When everything looks good, click Initiate to start the data transfer. The first sync will begin based on the option you selected. Immediate will populate shortly, while Periodic will run at the scheduled interval. Once initiated, your Campaigns account will start reflecting CRM records from the chosen module with the mappings you set. Thanks for watching.